Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. So in the last lecture we understood what are factors and what are multiples. Today we are going to move further with HCF. What is HCF students? HCF means highest common factor. So let us understand HCF by two methods. So HCF means highest common factor. Now we can find HCF with two methods, prime factorization method and long division method. So first we are going to understand by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method we have already understood in the last video. So first we will find the prime factors of the given number. Here let us start with the easiest sum. We have to find the HCF of 20 and 30. So these two numbers we are having. First we will find the prime factors of these two numbers. So let us find prime factors of 20 first. So for prime factors we know that we are going to start with the smallest prime number. So 2 is the smallest prime number. So 2 tens are 20. Then 2 fives are 10 and 5 ones are 5. So which factors we got of 20? That is 2 into 2 into 5. These factors we got. Similarly, we will find the factors of 30. So it is 2 15s are, then 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So for 30, we got 2 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So first we will find the common factor. Which are the common factors in this both? So if you will see 2 is common and 5 is common. So we will multiply this common factors 2 into 5. So what we got? We got 10. So the highest common factor is 10 of 20 and 30. Understood? Now, in your book, exercise 4.2, question number 1 is given. In that, you have to find the factors with prime factorization method. So, I will be solving 3 sums randomly and other sums you have to try by yourself. It is very easy. So, first one is 28 and 24. So, first is we will find the factors of 28. We will start with 2. So 2 14s are 28. 2 7s are 14 and 7 ones are 7. Similarly with 24, 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are and 3 ones are. So which factors we got students? Either you can write here also you can use the space. So 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 and 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now the common one we will circle. So this is common and this is common. So our HCF will be 2 into 2, that is 4. So the highest common factor of 28 and 24 is 4. It will come in 4's table. This both number will come in 4's table. Okay. Now this next sum, question number 8 it is. See the twisted sums I am solving and the easiest one you have to try by yourself. So here 273, 234 and 312. So first we will start with 273. See, if there are 3 numbers, then also the things will be same only. Like this only you will be doing, and then you have to find the thing which is common in all the 3. Let us solve it. 273. Now as this is a odd number, we cannot divide it with 2. So what we will do? We will continue with 3. So first let us check this is divisible with 3 or not. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Yes, it is divisible with 3. So 391s are 273. Then we will check with 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 21 means 7 threes are 21. And 13 itself is a prime number. So these three factors we got. Similarly 234. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. Then we will check it with 3. So 3 threes are 9 and 3 nines are 27. Then 3 13s are and 13 ones are. 3 1 2. This we will start with 2. 2 1 5 6. 278. 236. 2 into 18. Sorry, 2 into 39 is equal to 78. Then 3 into 13 and 13 ones are. Okay, so this all factors we got. Now we will note down all the factors here. So we have written all the factors. Now common factors we will find. Now you can see here 2 is not there. So 2 is not common. Then if you will check for 3, in all the numbers 3 is there. Here also and here also. And 13 is also there in all the 3. So what common we got? HCF is equal to 3 into 13, that is 39. So 39 is the HCF. Okay. Now 12th sum 15751050 and 2100. Here we will start with this first number. Let us start it with 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 and again 5s are 15. Now again we can divide this with 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are and 3 5s are. Again let us check it with 3. With 3 it is not possible because 7 plus 1 8 and 8 plus 5 will give you 13. So we will go to the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Now 5 sevens are and 7 ones are. These are the factors. Similarly here we will start with 2 because this is even number. 0 is even number. So 2 5 2 5. Now you can see students, this same thing came here. So this copy, all the things should be same only. 3s are 175, 5s are 35, 5s are 7 and 7 ones are. Now here we will start with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 0, 5, 0. Again here the same number came. So all these things we will be writing as it is. So 2, 3, 5, 5, 7. The factors process will be same only students. So 525, 175, 35, 7 and 1. So now if you will write all the factors. So here we have written the factors. Now the common ones we are going to circle it. So this 1, 1 and 1, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7 and 7. So this all factors are common. So HCF is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. So what you are going to get? 525. This is your HCF. Okay. Now we will understand long division method in the next video. So you practice all these sums, all these 12 sums. You have to do it in your notebook. And if you are having any query, we'll be clearing it in the next class. So practice all these 12 sums. In the next video, we will be understanding this cross division, that is long division method. Bye bye. Have a nice day.